This is Lachhiwala. It is near Dolwala in Dehradun. This is in the middle of dense forest. The natural beauty here captivates your mind. This is a starting point, guys. You can see the place is a clean and peaceful spot. Evidence forest filled with trees. This place is truly an amazing natural park where there are lush green gardens and countless trees and plants. There is a small river here that government has beautifully maintained. Both sides of this park have a river. Here also small pond have also been created where boating takes place. You can sail boat here. Also there is a small museum inside the park where items related to Uttarakhand's rich culture and heritage. This is a very clean and peaceful spot. If you are a nature lover, then this place is no less than heaven for you. This is a lovely place.